to make sure I wasn't pregnant.
Why did you take so long?
I'm watching a murder movie.
They say money don't make you happy, they lying. I just booked a flight. I was like, no. This is getting ridiculous. Now, I went off on one of them because he doesn't know why we need a scrum. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my pre. It's your girl with another video. I'm back. Let me tell y'all, it's been a lot going on. I had to make sure I wasn't pregnant. No, for real though, I have been out of it. And house hunting, as y'all can see, I'm still in my apartment, but I decided I had some errands to run. I have to go to Nebraska Furniture Mart, pay off some of these things that I got. I think you guys saw when I got them. I want my place to look like a home. Right now it's looking like the Great Depression and I can't do it. I want a new couch and I'm not doing it from Nebraska. I saw one on Amazon that I want, so I'm probably gonna order it. I want some black girl art behind my couch. So I'm gonna go to Ross, I'm gonna go to, not At Home, I don't think I like it there. I think it's something good, I don't know. But I decided instead of me sitting down and giving y'all a video, I'm gonna just take y'all with me and just talk to y'all. So it's just a little come right along with me, vloggy vlog. I'm not fitting to, look at this, look at that. If I like it, I'll show you. If I don't, oh well. Cause the point is, where have I been? Am I pregnant? Am I moving out of my apartment? What's going on? Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend to come over with everything Teash. And if they don't, I fit them business. Let's go. All right, so I already told y'all I'm on my way to Nebraska Furniture Mart. There's actually traffic out here. Slide my knees and call me black. It's 6:24. I don't usually be in traffic, but it could be because I'm not on the toll road. So, but I don't feel like paying for tolls. Like, let's just not worry about that. But yeah, so I'm coming to Nebraska because for 2 years now, 2 years, I've been paying on the furniture that I got there when I first moved here. And a month or so ago, I was like, no. This is getting ridiculous. Now, I really wasn't making no money. I wasn't really making no money, so I was making like my $55 deposit, whatever, that it was minimum. And then if I wanted to, I'd pay a little extra some months. But I was like, hold on a second, this is not moving. This is not moving. So I went and the lady was like, oh yeah, you have been accumulating interest. What? How? When I'm paying for all these things? Well, I was paying for everything as a whole rather than, hey, pay $100 for the side table, $2 something for this side piece, $400 something for the couch, blah blah. So she printed it out and she was like, these are the dates that they start accumulating interest. I've already paid 3 things off. Today I'm going because today's the 11th and she told me your next one is on the 11th. That's when interest is going to start. I said, don't worry about it, ma'am. I'll be right by there and pay my 100 and whatever. Then I have either like the part of my bed that you actually sleep on, can't remember it right now, for like 400 something that is not going to have interest until October. But you know, I made some money now, so I'm gonna just pay all that. I'll just pay it. Just don't worry about it. So, and then I already told y'all that I need to go look for those things. And I know some of y'all came over here because of the Scrum Master thing. I told y'all I went off on my one of the what are they? The actual workers. Because if you know Scrum Masters, but I just be there. I just be like you work hard for real 15 minutes. And by hard, what did you do yesterday? What did you do today? What's your plan for tomorrow? Do you have any impediments? So I went off on one of them because he doesn't know why we need a scrum. Hey, I keep on telling you, stop coming to me with this conversation, and you're doing it out in front of everyone else, and I keep telling you we can have one-on-ones, but no, you want to ask so that the team is informed. The team is not questioning my position. Dirty Fronzy boy. You. So I said, yo, old ass, I don't care how long you've been with the company, baby, I will check you. So I finally, I told y'all I didn't know if I was pregnant, yo. I just had to take a break. I said I gotta figure out my life. He said something. I asked him a question. Well, I just don't know why we need to be answering these questions. I'm here in your meeting. You've been in these meetings before I got here. Don't play with me. Like, you know what these meetings are for. He just don't want to be at those meetings. So I ate him up. I was like, let me tell you something. I'm not passive aggressive, and I've let you slide for a good solid month now, and I want you to know, like, fair is fair. So I'm gonna start eating you back up. So if that's what you want, I'm just telling you fair is fair. And that was me in front of the whole team. Like, you know, Scrum Masters are supposed to be the like, we're the facilitators, servant leaders, we're all those. But I was like, but baby, I'm not passive aggressive. I'm gonna let you know, because this is why they hired me. They wanted somebody that would speak up for everyone else. And since everybody else want to be on mute and they're all passive aggressive, I got it. Not to worry, I got it. Ever since then, he's not played with me. Like, he will not play with me, because I was like, I don't know if you think that you being here longer than me means something to me, but I'm gonna show you that it don't. I'm gonna show you that it don't. And I was like, babe, let me tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start taking notes, and then if my manager don't do anything about it, which is his manager, but my manager is new too. My manager is cool. So he's still trying to figure out his position, right? Like, I've only been here for a year, blah blah. So I was like, and if my manager don't do anything about it, per your working agreement, which we're also going to redefine, it says to take it above. So I'm gonna take it to his manager, to group manager, then I'm gonna take it to the person above them, then it's gonna make it to HR, and then HR doesn't have to handle it because they're gonna see the documentation. So he's gonna say, oh, well, at what point are you gonna let us know that you're gonna send this over? You playing with me every other week when I'm running these retros, that's when you should know. Don't misbehave in these meetings, and I won't have a reason to dock you. So they obviously want to talk to him, because I took it to the agile coach and I was like, I'm not playing with this man. I'm not playing with him. I'm gonna let y'all know something. If I lose this job, which I'm not, because it's literally just, it's the best job. I'm gonna get a second one. Like, I came in there and I said, this is what I'm here for. You're not gonna disrespect me. I don't care how young you think I am. I don't care how old you think you are. I don't care how long you've been here. Because the agile coaches were like, let them know if they want to warm up their resume, they can. Because we don't care if you feel like you've been here for 10, 20 years. You have to follow agile. So I said, you can dust off your resume, baby. But anywhere you go, you're gonna have these meetings. So you're gonna have an issue. So you need to go start your own. That's besides the point. So I'm coming over here to do the thing. But again, I do know that some of y'all was here for Scrum from TikTok. That's gonna be another video, because look, I just don't know how much I can tell y'all that y'all can't research yourself, that I did, right? The only difference is that since I've been to Dallas, you know, everybody that I ran into, Nigerians, they're Africans. They're all either Scrum Masters or project managers, or everybody's in tech, basically. So you surround yourself with people that are in positions that's like, I can learn from you, I can grow from you. So that's how I was able to transition. I even, when I was on the dating apps, I went out with some agile coaches. One of them, we're actually like this, we're cool, we're friends. So if I need anything, I can just literally call him and say, hey, they're doing this, how am I supposed to go about it? He'll tell me. My other friend, he had just switched to Scrum, and he was like, I'm pro-black, I want black people to always blah, 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 blah. So it didn't matter. He was like, anything you want. Even now, me and him are like this. I can call him anytime. Matter of fact, he called me 2, 3, 4 times a day. Hey, Fona. So we're locked in. I just have, you just surround yourself with people that you can grow from, and in a community that you can grow with. And so that's how I was able to transition. But again, I'll get into the next video, I'll talk about that. Again, I can't give you too much that you can't look up on your own. I know a lot of people don't understand how to do that either. No shade, because sometimes you'll say something so clear and they'll be like, oh my gosh, like you can write down 2 + 2 is 4, and somebody's gonna say, how did you get that 4? And me, I'm gonna say, see, I'm blind, ear, and deaf, because I'm not tell y'all again. So yeah, but now I'm at Nebraska. I'm here. So I'm gonna take myself over to the payment center. Lady, let me down now. So one thing about me is that I'm never going to live above my means. I don't care how much, oops. I don't care how much money I'm going to make. I'm not, like, I want nice things, but at the same time, I'm just like, I don't want to be in a position where I was in earlier this year. The Great Depression was not it. So financially, I'm gonna make sure I'm good, because if I'm good financially, mentally, I'm good. They say money don't make you happy, they lying. I just booked a flight and I went somewhere. They're lying. It makes me happy, so I'm gonna hold on to it. And I do that by being smart. I'm still like bargaining, budgeting, but whatever I buy now is gonna go into my next place, my next home. I'm gonna get out of here though, because one thing about Nebraska, I'm not adding nothing else to this furniture, to this card. But I am gonna get like one of these, that does it on its own. I'm gonna get a newer toaster, you know, that you can pick what color you want it to be. You know, nothing too much. I'm not gonna get a new car yet because I don't know what I want, and I'm not about to go out there and get a Tesla and live above my means. Baby, anything can happen, and I think about the what is. So I'm also applying for other Scrum jobs, because what's better than one? Two. What's better than two? Three 15 minutes a day, 45 minutes. Baby, give it to me. Yeah, I want me a new couch. So I've already sold some of the things that I'm even in Nebraska paying for, because everything is gray. My apartment is already gray. Baby, it's too dark in there. So I'm trying to get a tan couch. It was gonna be a royal blue, but I can't find one. And I didn't necessarily want to buy one from someone that already has it, because they've been farting all over it and doing whatever else what we all be doing on our couches. So no, I was like, I don't want no fabric like that. So, and I'm getting what do you call it, a TV stand. I want me a big old plant now to put in the corner with a nice lamp. I'm even gonna take back that little hanging over lamp I bought. Baby, it is not cute. TikTok will not get me again. We here. They don't really have anything I'm looking for. That's cool, but I want something big. I don't know, but these places are not giving. Everywhere I've looked, it's not giving, and I really want my place to start feeling like a home if I'm gonna be there again. But I'll get into that with y'all. See, I didn't come up here to look at this. Move away. We gotta find another store. Oh, but they got rugs. I actually do need a rug. I just sent back a rug to, oh no, it's too small. 6 by 6, yeah, it's too small. I need something bigger. I just sent back my rug to Amazon. They talking about it's gonna be $155 to send it back. Baby, that's how much I bought it for. I said, give me back my money. So I'm not gonna get the rug until I get the couch, because I need to see what couch I get. They don't got nothing I want in here, so let's move along. Baby, it is golden hour. We're at Home Goods. Hello. Get into it. I actually want a plant. Ooh, this is a cute one. $79. And look, these are so cute for the porch. Oh, it's 200. What? Oh, 99. Oh, see, this is what I'm talking about. They're the ones that have the art pieces. See, this is nice. Do you see that, Asia? Oh, it's not that nice. It's $129. I don't like these. They don't have the black girl ones that I want, so I'm about to go online and try to find something, because this is just, it's not gonna work. So I'm still actually outside of Home Goods. I'm close to my man, so I was like, let me go have a little date night with him. He says, since we've been together, I'm the one that plans everything, blah, 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 blah. So I'm gonna get him some flowers. And then I don't know if I'm gonna do snacks or actually pick something up quick to eat. I haven't really been eating out a lot because, you know, all that stuff that's in the food, I cook at home, baby. So I'm gonna see. And I'll just take it to him and just have a little date at his house. And then he goes to the gym and then I'm coming home. All right, so this man is actually going to the gym at 9:30 and it's 8:37. He's 12 minutes away from me. So I'm going into Walmart. I'm gonna get him some flowers, a piece of candy, and a drink. All right, y'all, so I gotta prop you up like that. My phone died, so I got a little bag. So I got him these, because the man eats anything I eat. I'm not being funny. He's very red-eyed. So I don't know if these are his favorite. He just eats whatever. So I got him the Hershey. I got him a Slim Jim. I was just picking up stuff. And I knew I was running out of time because he said 9:30. It's now 8:51. I need my phone to charge up so I can get to his house. And a mango lemonade. Oh no. And I got him some roses. Phone is doing what she needs to do. Let's go. Okay, who's that? Who's that? All right, y'all, so I'm at this house, but I came to the back because I'm gonna ring the doorbell, because if he looked outside, he would have seen my car. So, what's up with you? I brought you something.
Wait for you win.
Oh, Sonny, hold on.
Sonny, come on. Wait, listen.
Why did you take so long?
I'm watching a murder movie. Don't tell me.
Yo, this man had me at the door. Talk about who's that. Sonny, chill out. Calm down. Calm down.
Sit.
But look, I brought you stuff. I was gonna make it like dinner, like something cute.
Listen, I'm watching a murder movie. Right?
Where?
Upstairs. And I keep downstairs.
You ordered them shoes. Because his dog, that big old dog downstairs, chewed up my shoes from Jamaica. Let's see. Okay, white toes. You're gonna love it with a good anklet.
You like it?
Yes, it's nice.
It don't compliment your the one that you had, but what you just did.
Not me getting stuff. Thank you. Let's see.
You just pop them in like that.
This is cute. A little purse. A little something. I have on nails. Alright, y'all. So it's 12:20 and I'm home. Guys. I made those wings myself. Actually, I did all this. So it looks like Thanksgiving in here, but it's not. But that's what I was craving. Am I pregnant? We gonna find out. But no. So I was gonna sit down and talk to y'all end the night, but I'm watching TV. So I'm gonna eat this, watch TV, and then I'm gonna sit down, talk to y'all for 5 minutes, wrap it up. So I'll be back.